Heute möchten wir Eistee. All right, now previously I did a review of Rush Limbaugh's 2 by Tea, the raspberry flavor. And I was in the store today and saw this Gold Peak tea, and I thought, let's do a taste test of another brand. Remember, before I thought that was too sweet. I did look at the label. This is a bottle that is it's a little bit more than a pint, so it's a bit more than Rush's tea. It's only 190 calories, 48 grams of sugar in this whole thing. If I remember correctly, I don't remember, it was over 30, I think, per serving. There were 2 servings. This is 1 serving in the bottle. And the dog keeps going back and forth, driving me nuts. Toby, what you doing? So, as before, we'll look at the bottle. I have a glass. We'll take it at room temperature. This has not been chilled. Glass has been rinsed. And I have one we'll pour first on some ice cubes. Our ice cubes are made with filtered water, so the idea is to try and get as few contaminants in the glass as possible so we get the best flavor. So, in a comparison, this bottle, not as sturdy as what Limbaugh uses, but it is larger serving size. So it's 1.16, so 16/100ths more of a pint. It's 18.5 fluid ounces, so it's 2.5 ounces more. And interesting enough, it's 547 milliliters, so it's not like it's a metric one that has been made Americanized. So there, to show that's clean, nothing hasn't been opened. So, as before, nice lemon flavor, well, lemon aroma, and it smells like real lemon as opposed to some kind of artificial. You can definitely get some tea in that. We'll let that chill. Okay, so let's pour some out and I'll recap it. Maybe I do this at a table or something. That might be a good idea. Possibly. I'll recap it sideways, apparently. So, now the raspberry, I do like raspberry tea. I don't want, some people have wondered if I chose a flavor I didn't like on purpose. This has got a very lemony scent. Almost like it's lemon peel. As very similar to Limbaugh's tea, at least at room temperature. It's very warm. I mean, very good. It's not as sweet noticing as the other one, and it's also not nearly as tart. Remember, that raspberry tea was almost like a raspberry tart in a glass. It was something else. And that's not bad. Very lemony. But you have a hint of tea, and it's not the. It's like the tea's not as strong. I mean, I didn't read anything about it, so I don't know. Filtered water, pure real sugar, and that's also why I picked it up, because it, just like Limbaugh's tea, has real sugar. The high fructose corn syrup crap, not going to support that. So, not bad, warm. Remember, the raspberry tea was not bad warm, and then cold it was just so sweet it was unbearable. A little noticing of tea. And that has diluted already. The ice cubes have melted. Now see, what I like about this is that's a nice sipping tea. It's a little sweet still. I like to see probably 10-15 grams less sugar in that bottle. The lemon is very well blended, and the tea flavor is there. Is just a little bit of a dryness from the caffeine of the tea. So, not bad. And this is available in grocery stores. It's not nearly as expensive as Limbaugh's tea. I don't know if he makes a lemon. It would be nice to get a bottle of each and try that. No preservatives. And just like Rush's tea, I don't know if you can see it, very clear. No sediment, nothing sitting in the bottom of the bottle. pretty good. It's still a little sweet, but I do like this over 2F by T. So somebody else wants to try that, do a comparison, be awesome. See you next time.